everybody, Scott Zano from the Scott Zano Realty Group and Keller Williams coming to you live one more time here for Z Video and Infotainment, where we talk about people in the area, places, like businesses, local businesses, and things. And we talk everything real estate. Today we're going to talk about a thing, and that thing is going to be this air conditioning unit right here. It's that time of year where the weather is getting warmer and people are seeking alternatives for air conditioning units. These are one of the best units that you can add to your home, and it's the most reasonable and it's less intrusive to your property as far as cutting holes or things like that. So this is a Mitsubishi Slimline heat pump, and what this does is it takes the hot air and then it converts it, it goes through the Freon, and then you have air conditioning in your home. These are very reasonable to buy. They're very efficient. Some of them do heating and some of them do cooling. But the other thing that's really nice is the installation is simple and very less intrusive. Okay. So what I want to do is I want to walk you inside and show you what this unit actually looks like. After you. So now we're inside the home, and this is the Mitsubishi Slimline unit here. It works with a remote control, and you simply turn it on, and this little flapper right here opens up, and it'll bring you the cold air from the outside. Like I said, there's a few different name brands out there. Mitsubishi seems to have a pretty good handle on these AC units. They're called splits. There's another company out there, Daewoo, I think, offers, and I think Jihitsu. But Mitsubishi seems to have a pretty good handle on them. If you guys are thinking about adding air conditioning to your home, and you have, say, forced hot water, like this house does, this is a great alternative, and like I said, really inexpensive, gets the job done, and you can actually add these to a couple of different rooms, and it comes with the remote controls, and it's programmable so that you can adjust the temperature up and down. So again, Scott Zano from the Scott Zano Realty Group coming back at you again from Z Video and Infotainment, and today we're talking about Mitsubishi Slimline split units for air conditioning. If you're thinking about doing something like this, please let us know. We have mechanical contractors on hand that can help you and give you a quote. And we look forward to our next series of Z Video and Infotainment. Thank you so much. Have a great day.